Charan, 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 charan. No. Okay, guys, good morning. For me, it's morning. For you, maybe it's night, evening. I don't know. Afternoon. But for me now, it's morning, 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 morning. And I already put the $5 here. So we're gonna invest. Let's see how it's the stock market. My last 3 months is down because everyone is selling agency. So now we are negative. The total gains you are negative, but we need to look at the positive side. That it is $10 today. So what I was thinking is buy. Oh, look, look. 9 and now it's 10. Maybe yeah. Let's buy something now. As usual, we can buy $5. Okay. And I was thinking, maybe later. I still have I have in here $11 that I didn't expand. I tried to buy some Shiba, but it's not going down. And let me think, maybe I should buy more agency with that money. And when I go up, we can sell and buy Shiba again. I don't know. I think I'm gonna buy everything. I'm gonna buy more $10. Let's see. Trade. $10 is one share. So I can buy this way. Trade. Come $sign. Limit. This one I want to buy. Wanna go to 90.95. Continue. And how many? I want one share. Review. Okay, I have a money to buy a whole share. So if I have a money to buy a whole share, I can say, wow, how much money I want to pay. If it goes down to 94, I put 94, supposed to be 95, but it's okay. If it goes down to 94, I buy. Let's see. Done. Now our goal will be, we have a dividend. Our goal will be, let's see, we're gonna try to buy the maximum because now I think it go 8 to 9 to $8 down. No, not down. The total amount is gonna be 8 to 9 until 20 of the months because everyone start to buy for the dividend. And in this time we want lower average cost, buy most stock we can, wait for the dividend, try to sell on the same day they announce the dividend. We sell, we already have our dividend, so we're gonna make the money. The stock will go down. We can buy more, so we maybe buy 1 or 2 extra stock at that moment in this trade. And I think we are going good. We are not losing money. We are in the last 3 months we are $3.36 up. But the last day we lost a couple week. We lost $4. We are $4 down. But the total we are growing. This is the nice thing in the stock market. Just go up and down, up and down, up and down. The thing is, we need to keep it going up, not be on the red and go down. We need to make a good decision. And we are learning. We are learning here. Let me know what you are doing, where you are investing. See you on the next one.